LED backpacks fuse self-expression with wearable tech, offering eye-catching visuals while maintaining daily practicality for commuters, motorcyclists, travelers, and students. This comparison evaluates 5 popular models across a price span from budget to premium, all featuring built-in LED screens controlled via smartphone apps.
List number 1. Laptop backpack with programmable screen. Cell offers a 64 by 64 pixel LED panel on a 17-inch laptop backpack with a waterproof build and a robust dual-layer material mix of Oxford cloth and nylon. The app-enabled DIY screen supports loading user images and GIF animations, enabling looping sequences and multiple assets within the pack. The backpack advertises a 10,000 mAh power bank capable of powering the display for up to 6 hours, though the power bank is not included. The design emphasizes a balance between fashion-forward display and practical storage capacity, 26 liters, for everyday work and travel. In terms of value, at $88.82, it sits in the mid-tier price range with a large display footprint and flexible customization options. In practice, the Cell model is best suited for users who want a high-visibility billboard during early morning rides or commutes, while also needing reliable weather resistance and a roomy interior. The 64 by 64 pixel panel delivers crisp 17-inch backpack-sized visuals when powered via a portable battery. The user workflow, install power bank, download companion app, connect, remains straightforward, though the experience can vary with phone OS and app version. The absence of included power banks means total cost of ownership can climb if you need a second battery for long trips. Overall, Cell is a strong choice for visibility-focused riders.
List number 2. Gelrova Music Cycling Backpack, battery not included. LED bicycle backpack with speakers. Gelrova's Night Pro backpack pairs a 14.8L to 25.2L expandable capacity with a built-in LED eye display and a 15 to 16-inch laptop compartment. Notably, it features an immersive 360-degree Bluetooth speaker system and a patent-pending zipper expansion that increases capacity by up to 70%, which is particularly compelling for motorcyclists and commuters who need extra gear storage, including full-face helmets. The LED display supports over 100 animated eye patterns via the app, with tempered glass for screen protection. At $84.99, it is one of the most feature-dense options in this price bracket, especially for riders who also value audio cues and helmet storage. In real-world use, Gelrova excels for urban riders and casual motorbike enthusiasts who want to stand out visually while also carrying extra gear. The 360-degree speaker system is best used in low-wind, moderate-speed scenarios, as the company cautions against high-volume use while riding. The expandable storage is a practical differentiator, delivering a larger carrying footprint when needed. However, audio performance is not replacement for high-fidelity motorcycle audio systems, and battery considerations remain, as with any LED backpack, relying on an external power source. Overall, Gelrova offers a strong blend of display, audio, and expandability for riders prioritizing versatility.
List number 3. LED backpack with app control. XQCK's 16-inch pixel art programmable backpack places a 64 by 64 LED panel on a 16-inch laptop-capable bag with Bluetooth app control. The LoySpace app enables load of personal images and GIFs, plus a library of themes. The back prioritizes capacity, 21 liters, and comfort with padded straps and a breathable back panel. The USB power port enables convenient charging, and the design emphasizes a balanced approach between display versatility and everyday practicality. At $82.99, it's the budget-friendly option with strong customization features and a straightforward setup that appeals to students and commuters who want a personalizable display without the premium price. In use, XQCK demonstrates solid app reliability for iOS and Android, simplifying Bluetooth pairing and display management. The backpack's lighter weight, 3.6 pounds, and mid-range capacity make it an easy daily carry while still delivering dynamic visuals. The main considerations are ensuring a sufficiently powerful power bank, recommended greater than 10,000 mAh, for meaningful display time,
and noting that some users may prefer more robust waterproofing or lighter weight materials. Overall, XQCK is a strong entry-level option for those who prioritize customization and value.
List number 4. LED backpack with programmable screen. Untrexer offers a 17-inch LED backpack with a full-color programmable screen powered by a companion app. The bag uses a water-resistant PU leather exterior and includes a 16-inch laptop compartment, multiple pockets, and a breathable back panel for extended wear. It emphasizes comfort with adjustable straps and a padded back, making it practical for daily commuting as well as night rides. The device operates via a dedicated app, Loyspace, after pairing through Bluetooth, with the added convenience of a USB charging port inside the back. Priced at $85.99, it aims to straddle affordability and tech-forward functionality. In practice, Untrexer shines for users who want a stylish, durable bag with a sizable LED canvas and a straightforward app workflow. The PU leather build offers water resistance and a sleek appearance, while the interior organization supports everyday tasks, including laptop transport. Some potential drawbacks include the reliance on the app for control and display content, which may experience occasional latency or connectivity hiccups. Overall, Untrexer is a solid mid-range choice for urban commuters seeking visibility without sacrificing daily practicality.
List number 5. Kemimoto LED Backpack Programming Backpack for Motorcycle Travel. Kemimoto positions its LED backpack as a premium option with a bold motorcycle-focused design. The 16.5 by 12 by 6-inch chassis offers ample storage for a 16-inch laptop, plus dedicated LED screen content that can be customized via a smartphone app. The backpack emphasizes high visibility during night rides, blending rugged aesthetics with tech-forward functionality. At $109.99, it sits at the top end of the price spectrum among the reviewed models, targeting riders who want standout visuals and a robust build for outdoor use and camping storage. In real-world testing, Kemimoto's strength lies in the combination of a full-color LED display and a sturdy, rugged design intended for motorcycling and travel. The power setup is similar to other models, relying on an external power bank, and the app enables dynamic GIFs and text. The shoulder straps are customizable for comfort during long rides, and the overall form factor supports mid-length trips. Potential trade-offs include the higher price and heavier weight, which may be a consideration for daily commuting versus weekend adventures.